Welcome to ShiftCare. Today, we're going to show you how to install and use the ShiftCare mobile app. You will have received an email from your scheduling team inviting you to accept an invitation from ShiftCare. Open the email and click the Accept Invite link. Enter your desired ShiftCare password, confirm your password, then click Submit. Your password is now set. Head to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device and search for ShiftCare. Once the application is installed, open the app, entering your email address and the password you created in the previous step. Viewing your shifts. When you first log into ShiftCare, you will see the shifts you've been assigned. This is your schedule screen. You can scroll up and down to view your shifts during the current month, or use the date pull-down menu to view dates for other months. Select a shift to view its details, including the client's name, the shift time, and location. Selecting the address on the map will automatically open your mapping app to provide you with directions to your shift, based on your current location. Select the client's name to display client details, including general information your rostering team has provided on the client. The Documents tab contains relevant client files that have been uploaded by your team. Selecting a document will allow you to view it in the app for easy reference. You can also view the client's goals and status. Under the More Actions menu, there are instructions that may contain important information about your shift. In this example, the rostering team have provided the location of a door key and the lockbox combination. You'll also see a link to shift-related forms that your rostering team has provided. These may be completed during or after your shift. Clocking in and out of your shifts. Navigate to the menu and select My Schedule. Select the shift you'd like to clock into and click the Clock In button. You'll receive a confirmation that you've now clocked into your shift. You must be within range of the shift address to clock in successfully. When you've completed your shift, simply press Clock Out. Your shift times are automatically sent to your rostering team in real time. Completing shift-related forms. Your shift may contain forms that need to be completed during your shift. To access shift-related forms, press the Shift-Related Forms button. In this example, we have a shift completion form. Select the form and complete the required fields. ShiftCare will provide an alert if you've missed any mandatory fields. Press Submit once completed, and you'll receive a confirmation advising that your response has been submitted. Completing tasks. Your shift may have tasks assigned. Tasks may be mandatory or optional. Once you've completed a task, press the tasks icon on the bottom menu and mark each task as complete. Mandatory tasks appear in bold. Completed tasks are denoted with a tick. Adding progress notes. To add a progress note to your shift, click the progress icon on the bottom of the menu. Click the blue plus icon in the lower right of your screen and select Progress Notes. You may also attach a file, including a document or photo. Once you're done, press Save. You may add multiple progress notes during your shift, and these will be sent to your rostering team in real time. Updating client goals. Select the progress icon on the bottom menu, then press the plus icon. Select Goal from the pop-up menu. Review the goals for each client and provide a star rating out of 5, then press Save to submit. Obtaining client signatures. Once your shift is complete, you may be required to collect a client signature to confirm your visit. To add a client signature, open your shift and select Signatures from the More Actions menu. Press the plus icon at the bottom right. Have your client draw their signature and add any relevant notes. For example, the client may have had a relative sign on their behalf. Once complete, press the Save button at the top right of the app. Submitting an incident report. Occasionally, you may need to submit an incident report. There are two options available. If your rostering team are using incident forms, open your shift and scroll to More Actions. Select Shift-Related Forms and locate the incident report. Complete the incident report and press Submit. Alternatively, You may log an incident selecting the progress icon on the bottom menu. Click the plus button and select Incident. Complete the incident details and press Save. To view and track incidents logged by your rostering team, navigate to the main menu icon on the top left corner of the app and select Incident from the main menu to view open, in progress, resolved and closed tickets. View available shifts on the job board. Your rostering team can display vacant shifts to you and automatically assign the first applicant to fill the slot. Some shifts may require approval before being assigned. Press the menu bar at the top left of the app and select Job Board. This will display the shifts that are currently available. If you'd like to apply for an available shift, simply click on the shift and select Take Shift. This will automatically advise your rostering team, and the shift will be either assigned to you immediately or reviewed by your team prior to approval. Adding mileage and expenses. To add mileage and expenses to your shift, click on the shift where you'd like to add the mileage or expense. Let's start with mileage. Select Progress, then press the plus button, and then click on Mileage. Select the client and add your mileage and any notes about your trip. You may also add a file or photo. When you're done, click Save and your mileage will be submitted. To add an expense, click on the plus button and click Expense. Enter the expense amount and any notes that you may want to add to the expense claim. You may also attach a file, image, or include a photo of the receipt. Once complete, press Save and your expense claim will be submitted. Viewing your company's documents. Your admin team may share company documents including policies, procedures, leave policies, and other HR-related documents. To view your company's documents, select the menu icon at the top left and go to Document Hub. This will display all your company's documents, which you can review within the app. Viewing your personal documents. Open the main menu and click My Documents. This will display your personal documents kept on file by your admin team. Click a document to open and review it right within the app. Updating your personal documents. If you need to upload or update one of your documents, simply press the Add New Document button at the bottom of the screen. Select the document type. For example, you may have an updated driver license. Enter the expiry date of the driver license. You can attach a copy by simply taking a photo, or choosing an existing document or photo from your file or photo library. Once complete, press Save. Adding your unavailability. There may be times when you're unavailable to work. Advising your rostering team is easy. Navigate to My Schedule, click on the plus button on the bottom right, then click Add Unavailability. Select the date or dates that you're going to be unavailable. You can either select all day, or you can select a start and end time for those days. So for example, you might not be available to work between 2 p.m. and 7 p.m. You can also add a description describing why you're not going to be available during those times. Once you've completed, press Save, and your unavailability will automatically be added to the ShiftCare schedule, so the rostering team are aware of your unavailability. If you'd like to remove your unavailability, click on the date and press Delete. Unavailability is denoted with a blue dot under each requested date. Shift notifications. If you would like to receive notification alerts when your shift is about to begin or end, simply toggle the shift notifications option on. You will receive notifications even if the ShiftCare app is closed, so you won't forget to clock in and out of your shifts. Need further assistance? You can reach our support team via email. Contact support@shiftcare.com and we'll be glad to help you out. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy using the ShiftCare mobile app.